In less than 5 years, nearly 1 in 3 jobs you see today could be gone. Not because of outsourcing, recession, or a pandemic, but because of artificial intelligence. Machines are learning faster than we can adapt. And the question isn't if AI will replace us, it's who and when. This is the future of work you can't ignore. For hundreds of years, humans have feared machines taking their jobs, from the Industrial Revolution to self-checkout lanes. But 2025 is different. AI is no longer a tool that just helps. It's one that thinks. Whether you're a marketer, coder, truck driver, or designer, AI systems are already learning your job description right now. And by 2030, they'll know it better than you do. According to McKinsey Company, by 2030, up to 30% of the global workforce could see their roles automated. That's around 800 million people worldwide. The World Economic Forum reports AI will create 97 million new jobs, but displace 85 million existing ones in the process. Stanford's AI Index shows a significant increase in AI adoption in the past few years, especially in finance, customer service, and creative fields. Companies like Amazon, Accenture, and JP Morgan are investing billions in automation to reduce costs. Not headcount yet, but the trend line is clear. Meet Elena, a data analyst at a mid-sized tech startup. In 2022, she spent hours combing through spreadsheets to spot trends. By 2025, ChatGPT-powered bots handled the analysis 10 times faster. At first, it was liberating. Then she realized management only needed 1 Elena instead of 5. She transitioned into an AI operations supervisor, not a layoff, but a promotion born from necessity. That's the story millions will face: adapt or be absorbed by the algorithm. Most people imagine robots replacing factory workers, but the truth is more subtle. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing tasks. Tiny pieces of your work that disappear until one day half your role is gone. The shift won't feel like being fired. It'll feel like you're slowly becoming irrelevant. By 2030, AI won't just automate repetitive tasks, it will collaborate. Imagine a personal AI assistant who writes your emails, books your meetings, handles data, and even makes creative recommendations. Entire industries will transform into AI mesh systems, teams of humans overseeing swarms of AI workers, each handling a micro role. Education will shift from teaching skills to teaching adaptability. Your ability to pivot and learn AI tools quickly will matter far more than your degree. The story of AI isn't the end of human work. It's the reinvention of it. Yes, 30% of jobs may disappear, but 70% will evolve into something new, hybrids of human imagination and machine precision. The future isn't decided by technology alone. It's written by those who choose to adapt with it. The future isn't waiting, it's building itself. Subscribe to AI, Tech, and Future Trends and step ahead of tomorrow.